What is up, guys? This is François and welcome to another devlog video. So let me show you the latest addition to the game. So I've started to really work a lot on AI basically, so it will be very important for combat, but now I'm focusing on a simple case with a civilian ship. So I just spawned a civilian ship just to show you that. And so for now the AI is really basic, so it will just search a shipyard and dock to it. But that's really interesting to tackle all the problematic connects to that. So for now it will just wait a bit for a random time. So while we are waiting for the AI to depart, I will show you a bit the other stuff in the latest patch, basically starting with new AI look. So basically, so not this one but this one. So that's something also I wanted really to update and move away from the pixel art. It's really working with pixel art, especially for UI, was really a nightmare, so I'm much happier with that kind of clean modern style. So I don't spend too much time on that basically. So that's the new ID, and you can also check out the new spaceship core with more information, because I've also did a big pass on system, because yeah, I will really start to focus a lot more on balancing the game for gameplay. So starting from now, if you are really interested to help me doing that, so I'm very much looking forward to check out your build, guys, so what you are building, and we'll fine-tune basically all the value between the energy production and also the heat production. So heat is going to be something I think a bit new to the game, and so we'll see how it goes, but I think it's going to be an interesting dimension into balancing the gameplay. So that's the idea, guys. Okay, so the AI is departing right now, as you can see, and it will just jump as we just see. So yeah, it's quite brutal, quite fast, but I think that's also what we like with with that super cruise, to have that big drop off or big acceleration at the beginning. Other thing also I want to show you, and let me just spawn another one for the lol. And so yeah, it's the slider extension. So that's something we had some time ago, but yeah, people wanted to have that back to build basically sliding mechanism bigger than 4 meter or 16 meter for the large one. So it's a new brick for the large and the small that you can use to stack basically your sliding mechanism. So that's really neat. And also what do we have? We have this piece also that I updated, so that was not done during the new graphical update, but they are now clean, so you can really use them, and yeah, I think you can create interesting combination. Especially I like that block also, that one, that pipe. So yeah, you can create a nice looking thing like that. Okay, and as a bonus, I wanted to make a nice silly stack of AI ship. So just to show you, I have a lot of things to do to bulletproof basically the game, and to make it to make AI a bit smarter, like when they can't dock, for example, they will maybe turn around the station or do some stuff like that. But that's really the idea. So it's quite funny to work on that for a change, to be honest with you. But yeah, so let's continue. And the way docking work for now, so it's basically a hack. So as soon as the ship detects a collision, it will basically stop, and that one is one to leave. So this timer was a bit shorter, but yeah, as soon as a collision is detected, the ship will stop it and say it's dock. So that's the idea, guys. Thanks for following the game as always, and don't hesitate to report any issue on the GitHub, and I will see you in the next one.